Dude, it's really hot in here. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm really sorry about these past couple months. I really feel like it's been truly the longest, like 3 months since the COVID has started, and I really don't want to speak too deeply into it because this is not the purpose of this video. But other than that, I hope everybody is safe, and thank you for watching today's video because I'm super excited to share my first ACCIO box with you guys. So this is your first time visiting my channel. I have only been on YouTube for, well, I was only active for at least a year already, but I've only done like just a couple videos. But I'm super excited to start again because I'm already settled into my new house, and you can see that there's a different location if you've been watching my videos. I was living in Monterey Park, but I kind of moved a little bit closer to where I work. So other than the quarantine life, I was supposed to get in this ACCIO box last month, but they extended it a month further because I guess because of what's been going on, they were having delays on a certain item. So what ACCIO is, it's a month-to-month subscription box, and you get it obviously every month, but I pay $39.99. So little disclaimer, I'm not trying to sell product, I'm not trying to sell this, like, you know, this box subscription, but I'm not getting paid for it. It's not an ad. I just want to go ahead and do it with you guys because I'm super excited to see what kind of products that you get. So like I said, this is April's box, and I will go ahead and do it again in May. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually a blank box. It usually has like their logo in the front, and then when you open it, it has like cute quotes on it. But I had it turned the other way because it has my address in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and let's go ahead and see the first item. So as you can see, it's actually wrapped up very nicely like this. And I'm gonna open it up. So the first thing I see is actually this cup. It says Granger Dental Health. So I'm guessing this is Hermione Granger's dental cup. So that's actually kind of cool. I really like this because if you look at the, it's actually, you know what, it's actually really good quality. I'm kind of guessing this is probably what they were waiting for because it looks pretty cool. And it's actually, I think it's just like a toothbrush holder. You can almost use it for anything. So that's a close-up of what that one looks like. So it just says Granger Dental in the front. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stash this somewhere because it's pretty cool. Okay, I kind of know what this is because I've seen something down there and it makes sense now. Okay, so the next thing that I see is the Granger Dental Health bag. So it looks like this. And it's just like one of those little like those little sacks that you can tie up in the front. So when I open it, I'm guessing it feels like a toothbrush. So I'm gonna open it up. And it says Granger Dental. Oh my god, that's actually really cool. I'm gonna open it because I want to see the actual, like, not material, how would you say it? Yeah, it feels pretty good. Like the texture of it feels pretty nice. So it kind of looks like, oh, reminds me kind of like a parchment, material, or like a parchment look. So that's how it looks. It's just like a little bit simple. And then when you open it, it has a toothbrush that says Granger Dental on it. Most of these items are actually handmade and they're cruelty-free. So I can see why there was a delay in some of the product because I'm sure they had to wait on some of the stuff shipping overseas. So one of the other items that I see right here is a box. And it looks something like this. So it's just a regular box. And I'm gonna open it up. At Last Earwax. Obviously it's from Harry Potter. This is so cute, you guys. Oh my god. I don't know why I find like the simplest things so cute. Like, I don't know. Even if I saw this like maybe on Etsy or like somewhere small like Mercari, I would have totally bought it because this is really cute. Like, come on. You can use this for anything. Any small thing. Q-tips, bobby pins. I mean, come on, girls, us girls get pretty creative with stuff like this. Last item, and I see it, and I saved this one for last. Okay, this is really cute. Oh, actually, wait. Oh no, I see something else. Hey, sorry. It was at the bottom. I'm sorry. I got super excited. Okay, so this is the 4th item. So it's a Harry Potter towel. It looks like a hand towel, and it has the crest in the front. So it has Slytherin, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, and oh my god, Ravenclaw. I'm sorry. And it is like a navy blue color. The camera might, you know, not have the perfect color on camera, but it's so cute. But it's just a regular size hand towel. There's nothing else around it. It would just be like right here, but this is so cute. I actually feel like this is what they were kind of waiting on. So I'm like thinking, because I think it was this. They had posted it on their Instagram page, and they were saying that this is one of their favorited items that they had put in the box, which I agree with because it's really cute. It's like a really thin wood, and it's super lightweight, so that's totally not a problem. But this is so cute. That's how the item looks. It does come with, they call it the prophet, because obviously if you've seen Harry Potter, you know what that means. It's kind of like the newspaper. So, well, it's basically the bathroom box. So it's the skull crest towel, and then the swab jar would be the earwax one that I had showed you. And then if you turn around, door hanger. So I was right, it was the bathroom door hanger. And then the Granger Health, or it's a hygiene kit box. I wanted to go ahead and put up this quick video of unboxing my first ACCIO box, because I am like I was super excited. I'm like super excited that it even came in. So I cannot wait absolutely until May comes in. These are actually pretty cool boxes, and I think it's pretty worth it for the monthly subscription that you get. I think like throughout this whole video I was trying to like make images in my head on where to put everything, so I don't know, I think that's what I'm gonna go do right now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe down below, and everyone, please stay safe. I will go ahead and see you next time. I believe on my next video I'm gonna go ahead and post that next week, and that's gonna be about my Etsy shop that I'm gonna be putting up on Monday. I'm gonna be selling masks, scrunchies, and then right now I'm in the process of learning how to do book covers. So I will go ahead and keep you guys posted on that one. So if not, thank you guys again so much for watching, and everything is down below. So you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys